In this video, we will show you how to change ringtone on Android smartphone. It's a little bit different when you change the ringtone on Android phone and also on the application like WhatsApp. We will show you how to do both. For example here, if you're using the common calls from your smartphone with your number, you can change your ringtone here. Just go to your settings, okay? Click settings. And after that, you can scroll down and choose the sounds and vibration. Just click sounds and vibrations here. And this is, you can find your ringtone because we have two number. Okay, we can click it. And for example, this is for our first number. We can change into another for the ringtone. And this is for common call. And how to change the ringtone if you're using application like WhatsApp, it's a little bit different. You can just open your WhatsApp application here. For example, you already have the WhatsApp and you can click this menu, click more options and choose settings here. And then you can scroll down until you find the notification. Okay, after you see this is the notification, you can click this and you can see here you can change the ringtone by scrolling down again and find for the call. You can also change the ringtone for the message. Okay, you can see here this is ringtone for the calls in WhatsApp. Okay, you can change into another. Or you can using the default. And that's tutorial how to change ringtone on Android smartphone. It's a little bit different when you set for the regular call and you set on the application like WhatsApp. Hope this video helpful for you.